Welcome to Real Business Stories with Francine. Today I'm talking about how you can start your business in simple steps. Every business starts with an idea, but one thing you must know is that not every idea is going to make money. So you need to ask yourself these three questions. Does this solve a real problem? Are people willing to pay for this product? And also, do I have the right skills or can I learn these skills quickly? Don't complicate this. In 2025, most of the hot areas are digital services, eco-friendly products, home-based services, and small-scale food business. Yeah, if you're good at baking, for example, you might want to start a small business, with weekend orders. Or if you love technology, you might want to offer digital marketing services or simple web design. So the key is to start small and then test the demand. So once you know your idea is solid, you need to make it official. Okay. If you are in South Africa, you can register your company via the CIPC website. The last time I checked, it was about 175 rands. So it is pretty affordable. It doesn't take long. Within 48 hours, you should have your documents and you'll be good to go. Your company will be registered. So you can choose between sole proprietorship or private company. I would suggest that you go with the private company right away. If you are in Zambia, you will need to go through PACRA. Okay, that is the Patents and Companies Registration Agency. Same thing, you can register a sole trader or a limited company. The procedure there is slightly different from South Africa, but it's doable. You can do it yourself. What you must know is that registering your business makes you credible. It protects your business name, but it also gives you access to funding opportunities. So if you are not registered, you are considered to be an informal trader. And business opportunities, for instance, the government is not going to fund you if you are informal. You have to make yourself formal by registering your business. Once your business is registered, you will now be ready to open a bank account. So from registration of a business, the next step is for you to open a bank account. The bank will need your ID, the registration documents for the business. If there's more than one director, then they will need details for the other directors. But if you are alone, then it will be your ID, your proof of residence, and also the registration documents. One thing you must not do is to use your personal bank account for business transactions. Separate the two. That is going to help you. If you have a business account, it is very easy to track your cash flow. Money coming into the account and money going out must be documented. So most small businesses would love to be funded. This is what investors look at. If you don't have a bank account, if you have not been tracking your cash flow, it is very difficult to source funding. So investors are looking for that record, and it is right for you to do it right at the beginning. At the onset, when you just register your business, also make sure you have a bank account so that you begin to track the movements. You're going to remember this when you present to the investors. They love to look at your bank account. So the next step after registering a bank account is to source clients. A business without clients is just like a hobby. So the main reason for you having a business is so that you can have clients and you can make some money for yourself. So start by identifying exactly who your target market is. Who's your target market? Ask yourself, who needs this product that I'm offering? Where can I find them? And how do I reach them affordably? Okay, there's an issue of affordability, especially when you're starting out. In 2025, you don't need a big budget. You don't need an advertising budget. A lot of times businesses are told to have a big budget for marketing, but for a small company, really, you don't need to do that. You can use free tools that are available on social media. You can use platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, and even word of mouth. That is going to work for you. If you're selling products, showcase them on Facebook, showcase them on whichever platform that you are on. If you're offering services, collect testimonials as soon as you get the first client. As soon as somebody signs up, as soon as you get your first pay, collect the testimonials. All right. So the trick is this: start small, deliver well, and let your customers become your marketers. When people are happy with the product offering, they'll definitely speak about it. So let's recap. I have given you 4 steps. Number 1, choose the right business idea. 2, register your business. 3, open a bank account. And 4, find your clients. So starting a business in 2025 is not about waiting for the perfect time. It's about starting with what you have. It's about starting where you are and then growing from there. Now, I want to hear from you. What business idea are you planning to start this year? Drop it in the comments. Who knows, you might even find a business partner right here. If you found this video helpful, kindly like it, kindly share it, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos on entrepreneurship.